Hi traders, this is Prakash Gaba here. Nifty view for 30th September 2020. Nifty opened at our target of 11,302 and traded down to close flat for the day. Our target of 11,302 still stands. If the market still continues strong, then it can go to 11,375 as well. But when I am looking at this move, one up move, second up move and the third up move, which is against this move and against this move, it tells me that it should get tired here. Looks like today was a blowout. Opened in the gap up and came down. So possibly may make an attempt, one more attempt to go up tomorrow. And finally may come down. Looks like all those guys who made money here would book the profits here on Thursday before the long weekend. Important level to watch would be 11,200. If that goes, Nifty comes down. That will be the first sign of weakness. In fact, I would say that any up move I would suspect. Anyway, let us see the Nifty internals. This is how the Nifty internals looks. The question is this a head and shoulder pattern, which is reverse head and shoulder pattern? Could be. So if it happens, then it needs to cross this zone of 11,280. Let me mark it out. Then it needs to cross the zone of 11,280. Then it can go up to 11,400 to 11,500. Because there was a gap out here, there is a gap out here, and this looks like a classical head and shoulder reversal pattern. But I would assume the very important support is at 11,200 and these falling wedges gives me the feeling that it could break 11,200. Now if 11,200 goes, then we could see even 11,000 coming in and maybe possibly 10,900 in a day or two. The question is, where does it open? I have no idea where it will open. Depends on Dow futures and SGX and all that nonsense will go on. Who cares where it opens? We have to be ready for our points. I would mark a circle here. If it opens here, ideally, and goes up, buy. Breaks down, sell. But if it opens closer to 11,000, starts to go up, yes, buy, exit around this circle zone. If it breaks down here and comes down, book your profits closer to 10,900. You got to know where to buy, where to sell. Now this is, when you look at the charts, there are so many lines. There is no prediction here. You only have to think where to buy, where to sell. If you think like a trader, you will make money. That's it. Trading is as simple as that. Don't predict the market. That is why I keep saying, trade what you see, not what you think. Why do I say that? Anyway, let's look at Nifty Bank. Now Nifty Bank, when I look at it, it opened at exactly near the resistance 21,859 and it traded down to close in the red. This 3 days up move looks reactive in nature, which basically means it can still continue down. But the first sign of weakness will be once it starts to break 21,400. I don't like this move also. So possibly if it opens, let me mark here. If it opens somewhere here and breaks this 21,400 to 21,200, yeah, let me write it down. If it breaks this 21,000 to 300, I think yes, 21,300, it can come down. So I will watch 21,300 with interest and possibly watch also this zone. Above this is good, but depends where it opens. To me, Bank Nifty seems to be a better trade to trade. I would be happy trading Bank Nifty. Guys, just remember one thing. Trading is only about making money, nothing else. Trade what you see, not what you think. Trade the markets, not the forecast. I've been thinking like this for the last 20 years. It's only now I've come out in the open I am saying it. Guys, think like me and make money.